Hello guys, welcome to Same Day Beauty Store. With a budget of 94,000, you get this nice baba setup. One nakupatia sink unit. Next nakupatia hydraulic baba chair. Inaenda 360, ina rotate 360, ina recline. Nakupatia Nunix, magic twist, scrub, scissors, edge cutter. Nakupatia gown, 6 pair of towels, UV sterilizer, 2 machines, balding and super tapper, 1 liter of surgical spirit, Necros, Dexedie, dye set kit, olive oil, spray can ya spirit, assorted brushes, 8 pieces, aftershave, hand brushes, powder, tweezer, afro comb, and eyebrow cutter. Welcome.